really nailed the point. Kanina, 8 points yung lead. Now it's down to 3. And this is something that shouldn't be the case. Kasi looking at both these teams, sabihin natin, even if they're tied in terms of standings 3 and 2, Adamson here is the more experienced team over NU.
That was the most powerful shot from Angela Bentin, pero out of position si Nepomuceno. Getting a point to Adamson.
It's foul.
Very good timeout called by Mami Dulce. Naputol yung momentum ng NU. Let's see if they can get it back to Low. There's Angela Bentin, 5th-year player. This is her final year playing for Adamson. Bentin in the middle. Oh, great job.
Angela Bentin.
2 straight points for Adamson. Restores somewhat respectable 5-point lead here. Yeah, we've seen this in the first set, how NU fought back. Let's see if they can come back here. Soliven.
The coverage for Adamson.
Angela again. Oh, great save by Reyes. Ganon. 13. Free ball for Adamson. Kinlog.
Oh, Kinlog is hitting the hands of the blockers. Itong si Kinlog, what's good about her is that she recognizes her disadvantage in terms of height. So that time, she used the hands of Agalo to score a point.
Anong pakialam mo sa sipon mo? Ang pinakailaman ko magtrabaho ka, hindi yung pagbaksak mo. Isimangot ka. Hindi mo na kukunin yung bola. Kasalanan ko ba yung sakit mo? Okay, receive tayo ng maayos. Sabi ko sa'yo, para makatalong ka, bend your knees, bend. Pinapalo mo puro pa ganito eh. Hindi ka makakapatay niyan. Oh, hindi tayo kasi. Ayun.
Coach Vicente, again, really frustrated with what's going on here. Nakahabol sila, but, you know, Adamson, after the timeout called by Mami Dulce, they were able to impose their will and stop the momentum na nag-gain itong Lady Bulldogs. Bentin.
That's what Coach Francis Vicente is looking for from the Lady Bulldogs is consistency. Because you guys sinasabi mo, they get to score a streak of points, it stops, and then Adamson scores more points again. Tapos, babawi na naman sila. It's not something that they are able to do consistently.
Angela Bentin. Kitang-kita mo sa buwelo na malakas yung palo mo. Tap on the second touch by Patilano. Mandy on the other side this time. Angela keeps going to the same place. Abang-abang na ni Reyes.
She needs to bring the ball somewhere else.
Mandy. Just powers that one in.
Mandy going for the block against Kinlog and Patilano.
National University is again within 4. Kinlog. 15. Oh, nice block. Sabut Nepomuceno combining to score a point for NU. Again, ito na naman within 3. Ang Lady Bulldogs. Natawag na naman ang timeout si Mami Dulce. Let's listen in as we take a look at the block by National University on Angela Bentin. To the huddle of Mami Dulce. Okay. You know, she says very simple things, very short things, pero understood na ng mga players, no?